Thank you for installing our typewriter module. Let me guide you through all of the features that it contains. So after installing it from HubSpot Marketplace, you have to open your page editor where you want to put this module and just search typewriter. And after dragging and dropping it here, you will see something like this. So let me guide you all the features that it has. It has intro text. If you want to put some intro text here, it has outro text. These intro and outro text are static in nature, so they will not change on the go. And you can add or remove these typewriter text. You can just add it like a loop, and we have spacing for all of the screen sizes. This spacing, mobile spacing, is just for mobile window viewport size. And we have text of font, mobile font. I don't think we need this, but we have added it for further customization options. And line height, as you change the font and font size, you just have to adjust the line height as well. So, and override typewriter text as well. So this option will give you the option to change the color of this typewriter text effect. And you just have to put it at the right place. I think in most of the cases it is used on hero section of home page or something like on landing pages. That's it. Please let me know if you have any questions or feedback for it. Thank you.